Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at this. It's called Ambu Bag. Ambu Bag is used for resuscitation if baby has severe difficulty in breathing and birth they want to initiate breathing. They use Ambu Bag. So in this video we are going to look at the parts of Ambu Bag. Let's start with this one. This one is called mask. Is the one that seals the air and allow the air to enter into the baby's lung. And then inside here if you see, it is inlet valve. In the inlet valve, it shows that the air is entering and prevent the backflow of the air. If you see, this is the inlet valve. If you can see. Sometimes it's also called a fishy mouth valve. Then coming there is this part is called pressure releasing valve. Then after that we have self-inflating bag. This one, of course, if you do it goes back. It's called self-inflating bag. Is the one that generates the air to be taken into the lung. And then we have this one. It's allow air from outside to enter into the bag. And then this one does not have the connection for the air inlet manually. So the air enters from here and it is filtered by this, and it goes into the bag. I've shown you the virus part and how to dismantle at the same time. So now we are going to connect back our Ambu Bag. So we will start from here, from air inlet, like this, and then we fix the head. Then we put our pressure releasing valve. Then after that we shall put our inlet valve. Then we'll push like this. Then we fix our mask. So our Ambu Bag is back. And how do you test if the Ambu Bag is working? So to test the Ambu Bag, first you can do this. If you see this one working, it means it's okay. To test the valve, and then from here, if you observe very well, it's opening. So other one also, you can put your palm here, seal the air, and then it should not inflate itself after putting here. See? If this one is inflated because it is not sealed well from here. If you see, when I've sealed it well, it is not inflating. Now if you do this and this one is inflating itself, which means the bag has leakage, so you need to change another Ambu Bag. So before you use the bag, you need to do the testing. You check all the part. If it is there and clean, then you can use. So how do we clean the Ambu Bag? In cleaning the Ambu Bag, you first have to dismantle the way I showed you before. Then you put in soapy water. You wash all the dirt that is visible. Then you rinse in clean water. Then you put it in jig to disinfect for 15 minutes in 0.5. And then from there, you rinse. Then you pack for sterilization. And after sterilizing, you keep in a clean container ready for use. So that is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.